Good morning, students. Today we will cover exercise 4.2, class 9 mathematics, chapter 4, linear equation in one variable. So first question is, which one of the following option is true and why? And the equation is y equals to 3x plus 5. Since we know there are infinite values of x and y which satisfies this equation, if you substitute x as 0, you get y as 5. You substitute x as 1, you get y as 8. Similarly, if you go on and substituting x value, you will get corresponding y value to each value of x. So I can say there are infinite solutions to this linear equation in two variables. So its correct option is third. How many solutions of this equation has? It has infinite many solutions. So that is your right answer. Okay, let us do question number 2. Write 4 solutions of each of the following equation. The first equation is 2x plus y equals to 7. And the question says that write any 4 solutions of this linear equation. To write any 4 solutions of this equation, first we convert this equation y in terms of x or x in terms of y as per the convenience or your choice. So let me write here y and substitute 2x to the right hand side, and then it becomes y equals to 7 minus 2x. So here y is expressed in terms of x. Now we will put the value of x, any value you can choose. Let us take x as 0, then we get y equals to 7 minus 2 into 0 is 7. So one solution is x is 0 and y is 7. So this pair of value, this is x and this is y, this pair of values satisfy this linear equation. If you substitute x 0 and y 7, so 2 into 0 is 0 plus 7 equals to 7, it satisfies. So this is the solution. Similarly, we can find out 3 more solutions. For that, put x equals to 1, so you get y as 7 minus 2 into 1 is 7 minus 2, which is 5. Put x equals to 2, so you get 7 minus 2 times 2 is 4, so it is 3. Put x as 3, so you get y equals to 2 into 3 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. So other solutions are, so answer is solutions are, one solution is this, second is x1, y5, third is x2, y3 and x3, y1. So that is your answer. So in this way we will find the solution in other questions also. Second question, second part is pi x plus y equals 9. So pi x plus y equals 9. To find the solution, again we will substitute the value of x and find the value of y. For this, convert y in terms of x by taking this side to the right hand side. So this term to the right hand side. So y equals to 9 minus pi x. Now the value of x, let us put the value of x as 0. So you get y equals to 9 minus pi into 0 is 0, so y is 9. Now if we put x as 1, so y will be 9 minus pi times 1 is pi. If question gives you the value of pi as 22 by 7, then you put the value of pi 22 by 7, otherwise there is no need. So we will write y as 9 minus pi itself. Now substitute x as 2, so you get y as 9 minus 2 pi. Put x equals to 3, so you get y as 9 minus 3 pi. So the solutions are x0 y9 first, x1 y9 minus pi, x2 y9 minus 2 pi and x3 y9 minus 3 pi. So these are the 4 solutions of the linear equation pi x plus y equals to 9. Similarly, you can do third part, which is x equals to 4y. In this, let us convert the value of y in terms of x. So divide by 4. So y equals to x by 4. We shift this 4 to the left side and then write the equation again. Y equals to x by 4. Now put the value of x as, if you put the value of x as 0, you get y as 0. If you put the value of x as 1, you get y as 1 by 4. If you put the value of x as 2, you can put any value of x, there is no problem at all. So you get the value of y as 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. If you put the value of x as 4, you get the y value is 1. So the solutions are 0, 0. Always write x value first and y value second. Abscissa and then ordinate. Second solution 1, 1 by 4, 2, 1 by 2 and 4, 1. So these are 4 solutions. Let us do third question. Check whether the following are the solution of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4 and which are not. So we are required to check which are the solutions or which are not. And the given linear equation is x minus 2y equals to 4 and the solutions are given as first is 0, 2, second is 2, 0, third is 4, 0, fourth is root 2, 4 root 2, fifth is 1, 1. So these are 5 points. These are 5 coordinates. We have to determine whether they are solution of this or not. To check whether they are solution or not, first we convert this into standard form, and that is every term is on the left hand side and right hand side is 0. So we will take the left hand side of the linear equation, that is x minus 2y minus 4, and now we'll check first point. The first point is x is 0 and y is 2. So if x is 0 and y is 2, in this point x is 0 and y is 2, we will put in left hand side. So when you put this in left hand side, it becomes x 0 and y is 2. So minus 4 minus 4. It is minus 8. It is not equal to 0. That means it is not equal to right hand side. So therefore I can say 0, 2 is not the solution of x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 because it does not satisfy the linear equation. Similarly, you can substitute other points to check whether they are solution or not. Suppose we test 2, 0. So x is 2 and y is 0. If x is 2, so here x is 2 and y is 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 minus 4. It is minus 2 which is not equal to 0. That means this is also not the solution. This is not the solution. 4, 0. Substitute x as 4 in left hand side. X is 4. Y is 0. 0 into something is 0 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. That is equals to right hand side. So yes, 4, 0 is the solution. Now root 2, 4 root 2. If you put here root 2 and here 4 root 2. X is root 2. Y is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 times 2 is 8 root 2 and minus 4. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 minus 7 root 2 minus 4. Obviously it is not equal to 0. So this is not the solution. Again 1, 1. If you put x as 1 and y as 1, so you get 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 4 which is not equal to 0. So this is also not the solution. So there is only one solution, that is third 4, 0. Okay, let us do question number 4. Find the value of k. We need to find the value of k. K is unknown here. If x is 2 and y is 1, if x is 2 and y is 1, that means this pair 2, 1. If this is the solution, it is given that this pair is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. We need to find the value of k. Since x equals to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution given, solution. So therefore it must satisfy the linear equation. So put the value of x2 and put the value of y1 equals to k. So you get 2 to the 4 plus 3, that is 7. So your answer is 7. So that is our 4.2 exercise. In next lecture we will cover 4.3 with concept.